Welcome to Engage Math, Lesson 29, Problem 5. So we are being asked to write an expression for the smaller number, and in this problem they tell us x is the larger number, and that the one number is 4 less than another number. So the expression for the smaller number must be the larger number minus 4. Okay, part B. Now we're going to write an expression for 3 less than twice the larger number. So twice the larger number would be 2x, because x is a larger number, and 3 less than that would be 2x minus 3. Okay, part C says write an equation and solve. So we have to look back at the word problem to see what our equation could be. And here it is right here that I'm underlining in blue. It says the square of the quantity that is 3 less than the larger number, which is right here. So the square of the quantity that is 3 less than the twice the larger number. So to show that that's squared, we're going to put a little exponent of 2 up there. And this is equal to the square of the smaller number. So the square of the smaller number is x minus 4 squared. Now, the long way of doing this problem would be to multiply this out and this out, solve it like a quadratic equation. It would be a lot of work. And you could do it that way if you'd like. But the much shorter way to do it is to say, let's take the square root of both sides of this equation. Now, when we do that, we're going to get 2x minus 3 on the left. And on the right, we're going to use our plus or minus. So whenever we take the square root of both sides of an equation, we need that plus or minus. In this case, we're going to put the plus or minus portion on the x minus 4. We could have just as easily said plus or minus in front of the 2x minus 3. The answers would be the same. But we're basically going to get two equations and then 2 answers here. So I'm going to start with 2x minus 3 equals x minus 4. Then we're going to get another equation, which is going to be 2x minus 3 equals negative x plus 4, because it'll be the negative version of this parentheses. When we solve the top equation, I'm not going to show all the steps, but I'm going to add the 3 to the negative 4. So it's going to give me a negative 1 on the left, and then I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So one of our answers is x equals negative 1. Now on this next equation, I'm going to add that x to the left side. So I'm going to get 3x minus 3 equals 4. So 3x equals 7 when we add that 3 to both sides. So x is equal to 7/3. So these are our 2 answers for x. So I'm going to put the negative 1 as one of our possibilities for the larger number, and then 7/3 for the other possibility. In both cases, we have to subtract 4. So negative 1 minus 4 gives us the smaller number of negative 5. And 7/3 minus 4, you can really think of that with common denominators if you want. Instead of 4, I'm going to write minus 12/3. Because 4, this is really a 4 that we're subtracting, but we're writing it with a common denominator. And 7 minus 12 is negative 5. And then we have a 3 still in the denominator. So in this case, our other answer, the smaller number is negative 5/3 and the larger answer is 7/3. So we are done, and thank you for joining us at Engage Math.